To Kill a Mockingbird, by Harper Lee is a classic coming-of-age novel set in the racially charged town of Macomb, Alabama, during the 1930s. The story is narrated by Scout Finch, a young girl, and revolves around her observations and experiences as she grows up. Scout lives with her older brother Jem and their widowed father, Atticus Finch, a respected lawyer known for his integrity and moral compass. The main plot of the novel centers around Atticus defending Tom Robinson, a black man falsely accused of raping a white woman named Mayella Ewell. Through Scout's eyes, we witness the deep-rooted prejudice and social inequality that permeate Macomb. The Finch children befriend a boy named Dill and become intrigued by their reclusive neighbor, Boo Radley, who becomes a subject of fascination and mystery throughout the story. As the trial of Tom Robinson unfolds, Scout and Jem confront the harsh realities of racism and injustice. Despite Atticus's skillful defense, Tom is unjustly convicted due to the deeply ingrained prejudice of the town. This event serves as a catalyst for Scout's growing awareness of the flaws and inequalities in society. Alongside the trial narrative, the novel also explores Scout's childhood experiences, including her relationships with her father, brother, and their maid, Calpurnia. The children engage in various adventures and encounters, including their attempts to draw Boo Radley out of his seclusion. Throughout the novel, Scout learns valuable lessons about empathy, compassion, and the importance of standing up for what is right. She begins to understand the complexities of human nature and the impact of societal expectations. To Kill a Mockingbird addresses themes of racial inequality, morality, the loss of innocence, and the power of empathy. It highlights the destructive effects of prejudice and discrimination while celebrating the resilience of the human spirit. The novel's enduring popularity and critical acclaim stem from its compelling characters, evocative setting, and its exploration of significant social issues that resonate with readers of all generations.